Welcome back to Chesil Beach Holiday Park. I'm Vinny, and today we're going to take a look at this really nice ABI Beverley. And it's probably on one of my favourite pictures that's currently available here. As you can see, we've got a nice long driveway. You could probably fit 2 cars on here. Also, you've got the option of extending out with some decking space. You can have your walkway going up, past your door, and an extension at the back for some dining table and chairs. A really nice feature of this holiday home is the hallway. It separates all of the kitchen, living and dining space to the bedrooms and allows you just to kick off your shoes before you enter. The kitchen is fully equipped. It's got everything you could want and a really nice modern aesthetic. The built-in oven, grill and hob with extractor above, built-in microwave, even upgraded features like the black sink and tap, and a full-size dishwasher. Next door to this is your full-size fridge freezer. In the centre of the kitchen is a really nice dining space with the 4 chairs and the table, and they're really comfortable too. Into your lounge, it's probably my favourite space inside of this model, with the really big comfortable sofas, a pull-out sofa bed too, and again just a really nice modern aesthetic appeal. Looking out, this is why it's my particular favourite pitch. You've got some stunning views out to Portland, all of the cliff tops, and you can even see the sea where all of the windsurfers, and kite surfers head out on Portland. Head into the back half. You've got 2 bedrooms, and like I say, the pull-out sofa bed, so it sleeps 6 people. Inside of your first room is the twin bedroom. 2 single beds, USB charging, a nice feature light, and a big wardrobe, mirror to the side, and even a television point. Down the hall and on the right, this is your family shower room. Nice big walk-in shower, toilet, basin with storage, and a heated towel rail in the black again. And last but not least is your master bedroom. Inside of here, good sized double bed, nice colour palette, nice warm colours too, so it's a nice place to relax. Big wardrobe, vanity area, and even your own ensuite toilet. So there you have it. This is the ABI Beverley. If you'd like to find out more or see it in person for yourself, give us a call on 01 305 836 836.